Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. Hey guys, do you have a Mercury in Virgo in your birth chart? Have you seen your birth chart? If you don't seen your birth chart, you must check your birth chart. Where Mercury placed. If you have a Mercury in Virgo sign, you are very intelligent. You're very good learner, sharp mind. You're very good in business. You will earn a lot of money in business. You will become a good trader. You will become a very good finance, management, things. You may become a very good bank employee. You may become very good stock market trader, or you may deal any type of trading work, and you will earn a lot of money. If Mercury is in Virgo sign in 6th number in your birth chart, in any house, from 1st house to 12th house, in any house, you will surely blessed with the sixth sense. You are very intelligent person. You have the ability to learn a lot of things. You have the ability to observe very big thing in a small time. You are a great learner. You have a great knowledgeable person. You know how to impress with peoples with our skills. If Mercury is in Virgo sign, that type of person are very, very fortunate in the terms of way of talking. They have a sweet and polite way of talking. People get attracted from your way of talking if you have a good Mercury in your birth chart, especially in Virgo sign. If you have a Mercury in Virgo sign, you may become a very good trader, stock trader. You know how to make money. You know how to multiply money. You know how to deal with other in business. You know how to act in your education or in your business. You're a very balancing person if Mercury is in Virgo sign. What is Mercury? Mercury is a planet of, it is like a prince in astrology. And Mercury, a great friend are Venus, Saturn, Sun. This is the great friends are Mercury. And Mercury work in astrology is like a Wi-Fi. Mercury sharing one planet energy to another planet if is in conjunction. Like if Mercury is in conjunction with 3 planets, and Mercury know how to manage the balance between all these planet energies. So as per my research, Mercury is like a Wi-Fi. So if you have a Mercury in Virgo sign, you are very fortunate because Mercury is a planet of learning, intelligence, knowledge, wisdom. Mercury is a planet of making money. Mercury is a planet, you can say it is near about to sixth sense. You have a great sixth sense if you have a Mercury in Virgo sign. You know everything, before events happening in your life. You feel, something like this. Your sixth sense always work. If you give blessings to someone, that person will grow a lot if Mercury is in Virgo sign. You are very good learner. You are very intelligent student. If you are a student right now, you are at school or college, you are one of the best student in your class. Because Mercury is in Virgo sign, you observe and learn a big thing very short time and very easy. Mercury is all about planet of your knowledge, intelligence, your fame. If Mercury well placed in your birth chart in Virgo sign, in Gemini sign, Gemini ruled by Mercury, and Virgo is also ruled by Mercury, and in Virgo sign, Mercury is exalted there. So if you have a Mercury in 6th number in Virgo sign, you will definitely achieve a lot of milestone goals, and you will become a very popular businessman. You will earn a lot of money in your business throughout life because Mercury is in Virgo sign. Those native who have Mercury in Virgo sign, they are very good stock traders. If your Mercury is in Kendra Sthan, in 1st house, 4th house, 7th house or 10th house in Virgo sign, you will definitely grow a lot in your life. You will making money, a lot of money you will make, and you will get self-respect. You have a great knowledge of astrology. You have a great knowledge of any type of science, because Mercury is in Kendra Sthan in Virgo sign. If you have a Mercury in 4th house in Virgo sign, you have a great peace of mind. You will enjoy all comforts. You have a great ability to become a successful astrologer. If Mercury is in 1st house in Virgo sign, you are very calculative. Your brain is too much sharp. You always use your sixth sense. You will be number 1 in your class if you are a student, and you will be number 1 in your business if you are a stockbroker, if you are any type of trading company, if you are manufacturer or trader, anything you are doing, and any type of business which is linked with trading, and Mercury is exalted in your birth chart, believe me, you will become a very fortunate person. You know how to make money, how to multiply money, how to save money, how to invest money. Those native who have a good Mercury in Kendra Sthan, they will become million trillionaire. They will become million trillionaire before the age of 32. Those native who have exalted Mercury in Virgo sign in birth chart, they have a great calculative mind. They never use calculator to calculate the figures because they have a sharp mind. So guys, you need to know which type of Mercury placement in your birth chart. Do you have exalted Mercury in your birth chart in Virgo sign, in Kendra Sthan, in 1st house, 4th house, 7th house, 10th house? If you have Mercury in Kendra Sthan, in exalted sign in Virgo sign, you will definitely grow beyond your expectations. You will earn bundles of money, you will earn name, fame, prosperity, you will be an educated person, and you will rise a lot. You will earn money from multiple sources because Mercury is in Virgo sign. So if Mercury is in Trikona Bhav, like 1st house, 5th house and 9th house, this is the same effect like a Kendra Sthan. You will definitely grow a lot. You will be a very intelligent student and you will be a very successful businessman. Those native who have a Mercury exalted in Kendra Sthan, in 1st house, 5th house and 9th house, they are very near to occult science, or they are very, they know each and every things which is linked with astrology, which is linked with science, which is linked with, you can say, they know how to calculate the things very easily. What is astrology? Astrology is also calculations. Calculation of the planets, nakshatra, houses, zodiac signs. So if Mercury exalted in your birth chart, believe me, you are very fortunate and you will rise a lot beyond your expectation in your life. So you must consult with the nearest astrologer to know which type of Mercury placement in your birth chart. If you have exalted Mercury, if you have on sign Mercury, you will definitely rise beyond your expectations. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity, and your sixth sense always work for you. You will earn money from multiple sources and your siblings will support you. Your younger sister will support you if Mercury is exalted in your birth chart. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.